Lick my finger. Fuck you.
Ano ba ito? Nagre-record ba ito?
Naandar na? You're eating mango. How great naman.
Delicious.
Oh,
Hey, Sipo.
tipo. Ano ba yung bangko dito? Gamit ang bangko, hindi binabalik yung sa dati.
Ayun na, Sipo.
Our development all over the country gives you the venue to enjoy life.
Here. Hip, hip.
Wow, very obedient.
Wow, sarap.
And residential leisure
Sarap.
found all over the country. For inquiries, call 856
Diba ah? Wow. Sarap to the bone. Wow. Nagigigil. Umiga na.
Kala niya bola.
Wow. Sarap. Well, actually, it's a golden retriever. And it's a dog. And he's eating the mango. Can you imagine? What kind of a dog is this?
And LV, is that you? Whatever.
You see, make a close up. Make a close up.
Opo.
Tingin pa sa natin, ha? Hey, that's my finger. Galing ba? May hinata. Simo. Talaga, sinisimot pa niya sa buto.
Enough na. Enough na.
Last. Tubo niya. Ayan na, sinubo.
Baka malunan yan.
Gonna lick my fingers. Lick my fingers. Wow.
Okay.